Your life is being destroyed silently, not by enemies, not by failure, not by bad luck, by your phone, by your screen, by your endless scrolling, by the cheap dopamine that's stealing your future one swipe at a time. Look at your screen time right now. Go ahead, check it. For hours? 5 hours? 7 hours a day? That's not free time. That's your potential evaporating. You wake up and reach for your phone before you even open your eyes. You scroll while eating. You scroll while walking. You scroll in bed until your eyes burn and your mind is numb. And then you wonder why you feel empty, why you have no focus, why you can't finish anything you start. Here's the truth they don't tell you. Every notification is a trap. Every like is a drug. Every scroll is a vote for mediocrity. And most people will never escape. But you're not most people. You're here. You're reading this. You're still fighting. And today, everything changes. Here's what's happening inside your brain right now. Every time you scroll, every time you check a notification, every time you watch a 30-second video, your brain gets a hit of dopamine. Dopamine is the chemical of pleasure. It feels good. That's why you can't stop. But here's the problem. Your brain gets used to cheap dopamine, short videos, endless scrolling, mindless entertainment. And when it's time to do something hard, something meaningful, something that requires focus, your brain says, no, this is boring. This is hard. Give me the phone. So you put down your book, you close your laptop, you stop working on your dream, and you scroll 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Your goals don't disappear in one day. They disappear in thousands of small choices. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, an hour stolen from your future every single night. And one day, you wake up at 40 years old, and you have no idea where your life went. The average person will spend over 6 years of their life on social media. 6 years. Gone. Wasted. Scrolled away. That's time you could have learned a language, built a business, gotten in the best shape of your life, written a book, mastered a skill, become someone your younger self would admire. But instead, you're watching someone else live their life while yours passes you by. That stops today. Monk mode. You've heard the term, but do you really understand what it means? Monk mode isn't about becoming a monk. It's not about religion. It's not about hiding from the world. Monk mode is radical focus, extreme discipline, total commitment to becoming the strongest version of yourself. It's isolation from distraction. It's cutting out everything that doesn't serve your growth. It's saying no to cheap pleasure, so you can say yes to real achievement. For 30 days, you disappear from the noise. No social media, no scrolling, no news, no gossip, no entertainment that doesn't build you. Just you, your goals, your discipline, your future. This is not easy. This is not comfortable. This is not for everyone. Most people will tell you it's extreme. They'll say you're overreacting. They'll call you boring. They'll make fun of you for disappearing. Good. Let them. Because while they're scrolling, you're building. While they're watching, you're becoming. While they're laughing, you're leveling up. And 30 days from now, they won't be laughing anymore. Here's what the next 30 days look like. Week 1, the pain. The first week is brutal. No other way to say it. Your brain will scream for dopamine. You'll reach for your phone, and it won't be there. You'll feel bored, restless, anxious. This is withdrawal. This is your brain healing. This is the price of freedom. Every time you feel the urge to scroll, do something hard instead. Push-ups, cold shower, 10 pages of a book. Write in your journal. The first week is not about progress. It's about survival. It's about breaking the chains. Don't give up. Most people quit in week 1. That's why most people stay average. Week 2, the clarity. Something shifts in week 2. The fog starts to lift. Your mind feels sharper. You can focus for longer periods. Thoughts become clearer. Decisions become easier. You'll wake up with energy you forgot you had. You'll fall asleep faster because you're not staring at a screen. You'll notice things you never saw before. The way the light hits the trees, the sound of your own breathing, the feeling of being present. This is what life feels like without noise. This is what you've been missing. Week 3, the strength. By week 3, something's changed inside you. You're not struggling anymore. You're not fighting urges. You built new habits, new pathways in your brain. Discipline doesn't feel hard anymore. It feels normal. It feels like who you are. You wake up early without hitting snooze. You work out even when you don't want to. You read instead of scroll. You create instead of consume. This is a new you. This is what freedom feels like. Week 4, the transformation. By day 30, you won't recognize the person you were. Your mind is sharper. Your body is stronger. Your confidence is higher. Your focus is deeper. The things that used to distract you no longer have power over you. The scrolling that used to consume hours feels empty and pointless. You've proven something to yourself. Something no one can ever take away. You can do hard things. You can control your mind. You can choose discipline over comfort. And if you can do it for 30 days, you can do it for a lifetime. Here are the rules. No shortcuts. No excuses. No exceptions. Rule 1. No social media. Delete the apps. Not just checking. Not 5 minutes. 0. For 30 days. Rule 2. No junk food. No sugar. No processed garbage. Feed your body like you want to perform. Rule 3. Wake up at 5 a.m. every day. No snooze. No negotiation. The early morning is where champions are built. Rule 4. Exercise every single day. Lift weights. Run. Push yourself. No days off. Rule 5. Read 30 minutes every day. Not social media. Not news. Books that build you. Rule 6. Journal every night. Write down what you did well, what you could improve, what you're grateful for. Rule 7. No mindless entertainment. No Netflix binges. No YouTube spirals. If it doesn't build you, you don't watch it. Rule 8. Cold shower every morning. It's uncomfortable. That's the point. Train your mind to do hard things. Rule 9. No complaining. No gossip. No negative self-talk. Control your mind or it will control you. Rule 10. Focus only on your goals. Everything else is noise. Everything else is distraction. Everything else can wait. These rules are not suggestions. They are your contract with yourself. Break one rule and you start over. Day 1. Because if you can't keep a promise to yourself, who can you trust? Here's the moment most people never reach. The moment when the weak version of you dies. Not literally, but something inside you shifts. Something breaks. Something new is born. You realize that you've been playing small your entire life, that you've been hiding behind excuses, that you've been letting fear and comfort and distraction steal your potential. And you decide, no more scrolling, no more snooze, no more I'll start tomorrow, no more watching others live while you wait. You decide that you matter, that your dreams matter, that your future matters, and you lock in. This is the moment that changes everything. This is the moment most people never reach. But you're not most people. You've made it this far. You're still reading. You're still fighting. And that means something. Imagine yourself 30 days from now. Stronger, sharper, more focused, more confident, more disciplined. Imagine waking up with energy, crushing your goals before lunch, building something meaningful, becoming someone your old self wouldn't recognize. Imagine looking at your phone and feeling nothing, no urge, no pull, no addiction, just freedom. That version of you exists. They're waiting for you to choose them, but they won't come from wishing. They won't come from hoping. They won't come from watching one more video or reading one more post. They come from action, from discipline, from 30 days of choosing hard over easy. The time will pass anyway. 30 days from now, you'll still be here. The question is, who will you be? The same person stuck in the same patterns, wasting the same hours, dreaming the same dreams? Or someone new, someone stronger, someone free? The choice is yours. No one can make it for you. No one can save you. No one can build your discipline. That's all on you. 30 days from now, you can either remain the same or You can become someone your old self would never recognize. Not because of talent, not because of luck, not because of a secret, because you went monk mode, because you chose discipline over comfort, because you did what most people won't. The weak version of you is afraid of this. The addicted version of you is making excuses right now. The old you is screaming for one more scroll, one more video, one more day of doing nothing. Ignore them. They don't get to decide anymore. You do. Start today. Lock in. Enter monk mode. Your future self is waiting. Don't make them wait any longer. Closing call to action. If you're ready to take the challenge, type 3 words in the comments right now. I lock in. Not I'll try. Not maybe someday. But I lock in. Declare it. Claim it. Make it real. And if you want to track your 30-day journey, subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll be here every step of the way. Day 1 starts tomorrow morning. No excuses. No delays. No more waiting. Your future is calling. Answer it.